In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use the knowledge base, which is a core part of customizing your AI receptionist in Upfirst. It's where you can input all the information you'd like your receptionist to know about your business, ensuring it answers your callers' questions accurately. You can also specify how calls should be handled, such as what your receptionist should say to existing clients or new leads, for one example. To begin, click on Agent from the left-hand menu and scroll down to Knowledge. Once there, click Knowledge. It's worth mentioning that if you're looking for call transfers or automated texts, those settings are located under the Transfer Calls and Send Text tabs, right beneath Knowledge. To add your own content, like business information, you'll first want to click on Add Knowledge to bring up a pop-up. From here, you'll notice there are two options to add knowledge. Let's take a look at the first option. The first option is Custom Knowledge, which allows you to manually input information. The second option is Fetch URL, where it scans your website and automatically inputs your business information. Let's delve into Custom Knowledge first. Click on Custom Knowledge and assign it a clear title that reflects the information you're adding. For example, you might title it Pricing and Plans. Then, in the content box, you could input something descriptive. Let me give you a quick example. You might say, our starter plan starts at $24.95 per month for 30 calls. Once you've set everything up, double-check that the information is accurate, and then click Add Knowledge. If you'd prefer to pull information directly from your website, choose Fetch URL, paste the exact page link that you'd like your AI to scan, and hit Import URL. Upfirst will then scrape the page, gather the text, assign a title, and automatically add it to your knowledge base. Be sure to adjust the title to accurately reflect the information so that you can easily find and edit it later if needed. Remember, this only scans the specific URL address you provide, not your entire website. Once you're ready, click Add Knowledge. Repeat this process for any information that you believe is crucial for your receptionist to know, such as details about your services or policies. Additionally, your knowledge base can be tailored for various call handling flows and caller intake. I'll walk you through a few examples. Start by clicking Add Knowledge, and then Add Custom Knowledge. For this scenario, we'll title it Returning Customers, and in the content box, we might write something like, if the caller is a returning customer, ask for their name, phone number, and reason for calling. Then, politely let them know someone from our team will reach out to them soon. Finally, click Add Knowledge. Follow that process for new customers with instructions such as, if the caller is a new customer or lead, ask for their name, phone number, email address, and the type of service they are interested in. Afterward, click Add Knowledge. You have the flexibility to create as many call flows as your business requires. For instance, if you're handling reservation edits, you would add more custom knowledge, title it Edit a Reservation, and in the content box, provide instructions like, if a customer wants to reschedule or cancel a reservation, ask for their name, the service that was booked, and the requested change. Let the customer know that someone from the team will follow up shortly, then click Add Knowledge. For another example, if you need to collect a deposit, such as $50 for an appointment, add more custom knowledge, and title it Appointment Deposit. Then, input directions for your receptionist. It could be something like, after gathering customer info, inform them that we require a $50 minimum deposit for inspections. Someone from our team will contact you to confirm the appointment and collect payment details. Once you've input all your business information and call handling directions, Your AI receptionist will have all it needs to manage calls smoothly and precisely as you desire. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.